There's definitely some rustling in the bushes over there. And I definitely see something. Some sort of wild animal. Oh, what the heck is it? It might be a bunny, it might be a squirrel, possibly a fox, I know. No, it's a bird. Oh, it's a bird, guys. It's under the tree right there. I don't think you guys can see it. Oh, it's so cool though. It's like right. Oh, it's not focusing, but it's like right there. Ooh, that's so cool. What's he doing? What's he doing down here? Oh, it's so cute. Well, I'll try and describe the bird to you guys. He's a small bird. He just went into the bushes. He's got like, I can't see him now. He has like some sort of, I guess like gray and white feathers. It's like kind of black around his eyes, I think. Where, I see him. There he goes. Oh, he just left. Okay. Bye, guys.